The Pantone Color of the Year 2023, Viva Magenta. Here at Floral Design Institute, we love it, and we turn to our friends at florabundance.com to find beautiful flowers, perfect for a table arrangement. The Mechanics Midnight Floral Foam, pre-soaked with flower food, anchored in place with waterproof tape. The flowers, I turn to florabundance.com. So many fabulous things that fit the Viva Magenta Pantone Color of the Year. For this design, I'm going to focus on the Gloriosa Lily. You may be familiar with the vivid crimson red, but did you know it also comes in Viva Magenta? How perfect is that? You can pair the two or focus on that pink or red. Then of course, roses have to have, for the foliage, a little bit of eucalyptus and parvifolia. To cover Mechanics and start the design, go ahead and create the base with the foliage. Letting it drape. You can actually fit down to the tabletop, making sure to conceal your tape marks. Draping all sides, giving it a very full look. Then of course, bringing some up through the center, carrying the color upward, smaller bits coming out. And then adding in the seeded eucalyptus to get a little bit of wonderful texture. When choosing roses, choose a variety so that the colors vary. Maybe the very vivid crimson red, a truer hue, and cutting it short, tucking it low to draw the eye inward. Then going to the pinker, a spray rose, not quite the magenta, a little bit pinker but blended. It's beautiful. And then leaning over to the blue side with another spray rose, cutting it apart, tucking it in, and then radiating around till you get a nice base of color. The base, a little unconventional with so many different roses, but you see how they blend to make that Viva Magenta. Then going back with the exotic touch of the Gloriosa Lily to give it a little more boldness, leaving them longer so that they come out, shout with joy and exuberance, and then enhancing with a few additional materials, a stilbe, standing a little bit taller, drawing the eye upward, and some leucadendron, getting in the variegation, a little bit of color contrast, letting it come out, and then a last touch, adding a bit more foliage. The Nandina also complements that Viva Magenta. The recipe, everything from florabundance.com. I went on the website, sorted by color, choosing red, and then went through and ordered a variety of things. In this design, I have 6 spray roses, 3 different varieties, 3 garden roses, 5 of the Gloriosa Lily, 3 of the Astilbe, 2 of the Leucadendron, and then the base was the Parvifolia, seeded eucalyptus, and a little bit of Nandina. Viva Magenta is sure to be a favorite for the Color of the Year 2023. You'll find more inspiration on the website, and yes, more Viva Magenta, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now, it's your turn. Gather a selection of Viva Magenta hued flowers, create a design, take a picture, and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.